guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Tealight holders. They're going to be mercury glass Tealight holders. And so what you'll need is you're going to need some of these gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. You can't find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some looking glass spray paint, or you can find the Rust-Oleum version of this, which is called Mirror Effect spray paint. So you can use either one of them. You're going to need 2 of these Tealight holders, and I've got them in different heights, but you can use the same height if you like. And then I have 2 of these, I guess they're little candle holders or Tealight holders, and they're the asymmetrical type, because I thought that would be interesting, but you can use whatever shape you like. You're going to need a little spray bottle, and it's got 50% water, 50% vinegar in. And this is what you're going to use to create the mercury glass effect. And then I have some hot glue. If you want to make this permanent, please use E6000. Now, what I'm going to do with this paint is I'm going to spray the insides of the candle holders. Not the outsides, but the insides. And then that way we get a very high reflective quality on the outside. And then we'll treat that with a little bit of the vinegar water solution. You'll see as I go along how it's done. And these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now aren't these just beautiful? And so simple to make. These will make a perfect addition into pretty much any decor style. Now let's just go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them.